In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the GoHighLevel client portal versus the memberships feature. If you're trying to figure out which option best suits your needs, whether you're managing clients or delivering educational content, you're in the right place. We'll dive into both of these features so you can make an informed decision that aligns perfectly with your goals. Let's start with the client portal. This tool is primarily geared towards agencies and service-based businesses. It's all about client management and effective communication. Think of it as a powerful hub where you centralize all your interactions with clients. One of the standout features of the client portal is its CRM access. This means you have a customer relationship management system built into the portal, which is essential for tracking and nurturing client relationships. Another vital component is the ability to manage pipelines and conversations. This functionality lets you efficiently oversee your sales process and client communications in one streamlined platform. Now, even though the client portal does have some course or lesson capabilities, it's somewhat limited compared to a full-fledged educational setup. However, if your main objective is to keep it client-focused with streamlined communication and management at the forefront, this is a fantastic choice. When it comes to billing and subscriptions, the client portal maintains a client-centric approach, making billing seamless and straightforward for service-oriented ventures. The user experience is positioned as a business dashboard, providing a comprehensive view of client interactions and tasks at a glance. Shifting gears, let's talk about the memberships feature. This is designed primarily for coaches, educators, and content creators. If your main focus is course or content delivery, the memberships feature could be the perfect fit. It offers a complete course system, allowing you to build and deliver full courses to your audience. Unlike the client portal, this doesn't include CRM access, as the primary goal here is not client management, but content delivery. Although conversations and pipelines take a backseat in memberships, the setup does shine with its advanced community features. These tools are instrumental in fostering engagement and collaboration among members, perfect for building a vibrant learning community. When it comes to billing and subscriptions within memberships, the focus shifts towards the product, allowing you to manage subscriptions linked to specific courses or services. The user experience here is tailored to be a learning platform, designed to facilitate a smooth and enriching educational journey for your members. Overall, the choice between the client portal and memberships really hinges on your business goals. If you're all about managing and nurturing client interactions, the client portal is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if creating and selling courses is your driving force, then memberships is where you'll find the tools you need. Take the time to evaluate these features based on your unique needs, and you'll be well on your way to optimizing your business with GoHighLevel.